This is the RapidX X5 and X1, two high-speed car chargers. The X5 charges up to 5 devices twice as fast as regular chargers. The two front ports use something called intelligent recognition to read your devices and charge accordingly, sending out up to 2.4 amps. They power devices almost twice as fast as your average wall charger. With a 5-foot cable, the X5 easily extends to the back seat, providing a steady stream of 2 amps to each of the 3 back ports. That's enough power to charge a phone, tablet, and handheld gaming device all at the same time. With the X5 charger, everyone can claim a port and get a full battery fast. If you're more of a solo driver, RapidX also makes the X1 with a single lightning connector that charges an Apple device at twice the speed. Whether you need to charge a single device or a whole group, RapidX gets the job done fast.
If a battery is too low to be detected, the Genius 10 has a built-in force mode that can manually activate charging and start the recovery process. If the charger is plugged into AC power and connected to the battery, but does not come out of standby when the mode button is pressed, force charge might be required. It likely means the battery is too low to be detected. To access force mode, ensure the charger is connected to AC power and has a secure connection to the battery. Then, press and hold the mode button for approximately 7 seconds. Once active, all available modes will flash. Toggle through the modes by pressing the mode button until the correct one is selected. The charge LEDs will begin to chase, indicating that force mode is charging. After 5 minutes, Genius will return to the selected charge mode. The charge LEDs will indicate the current charge level of the connected battery, and the green LED will illuminate when the battery is fully charged. If the charger returns to standby after the forced charge cycle, it likely means the battery should be tested by a professional.